In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save for web optimized PNG JPG in Photoshop. If you're preparing images for a website, email, or social media, getting the right balance between visual quality and file size is essential. Photoshop's Save for Web while Legacy tool makes this easy by exporting optimized JPEG or PNG files that load quickly while still looking sharp. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. With your image on screen, go to the menu bar and choose File, then Export, and click Save for Web, Legacy. That opens the Save for Web dialog, a workspace built specifically for web-friendly exports where you can preview how your image will look once it's optimized. Near the top right of this window, choose your format. This choice matters because each format is designed for a different type of content. Pick JPEG when you're working with photographs or complex images full of gradients and fine detail. JPEG uses lossy compression, which selectively removes information the eye won't miss to reduce file size. It doesn't support transparency, but it usually gives you the smallest files for photos while keeping them natural and pleasing. Choose PNG24 when you need high quality and transparency. PNG24 is lossless, so it preserves crisp edges and subtle details, and it supports fully transparent backgrounds. This is perfect for logos, UI elements, product shots on a transparent canvas, or any graphic where clean edges and soft shadows matter. The trade-off is a larger file size compared to JPEG, which is often worth it when transparency is required or when you want pixel-perfect results. Select PNG8 for the smallest possible files on simple graphics. PNG8 is limited to 256 colors, which is ideal for flat icons, basic illustrations, and simple interface elements. It can dramatically shrink file size, but on photos, gradients, or detailed artwork, you may see color banding or a posterized look. If your graphic uses only a few solid colors, PNG8 is a great space saver. As you preview in this dialog, you'll see how the format choice affects appearance and approximate file size. If you're unsure, a good rule of thumb is JPEG for photos, PNG24 for graphics requiring transparency or pristine edges, and PNG8 for flat art with limited colors. When you're satisfied, click Save. Choose where you want the file to go and give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Confirm the save and you're done. That's all it takes to export an optimized JPEG or PNG using Save for Web in Photoshop. Fast, clean, and tuned for the web.